so many reasons to celebrate, especially for us. I think anytime we get a chance to celebrate with Drag Race, Shahzad is being here or naming people, but I feel as a movement it is the best cleanup act that one could have asked for in the industry and even out of the industry. अगर हम ये सोचते हैं कि कहीं और नहीं होगा, it's happening in different places, whether you're working or whether it's definitely happening in media houses, it's happening in banks, it's happening in any workplace, and I feel like it's time for if women have taken the lead and they've come out and they're talking about it. One, as a woman, all I can say is we need to support them and we need to be in tune with them. And the most important thing is that when the fact that one person has taken the lead and the fact that so many other women have come out and spoken about it. And like I always say, I mean, you've been mentioning that you have heard my views. I always say it is the best cleanup act that can happen in the country right now. And it's also very, very scary and it makes me very angry to see so many names come out on a daily basis. It really takes a toll on you. When you wake up in the morning, you open the things, you're like, oh my god, this person is well. So yeah, it kind of shakes you up a little bit.
Thank you guys. Guys.
From India Times. So firstly,
Look at the center.
so firstly, did you look at the jewelry and any one piece you would like to gift her?
I've already done that. I think I really like this bracelet. I don't have much knowledge on jewelry, but the collection is really phenomenal. And I think this is the first time that I've come to a store where not just for the women but also for the men, there's a really lovely collection of watches, of cufflinks. I'm wearing this Shahzad watch. As you can see, I think it's pretty cool and sporty. That's my style. And she picked a few cufflinks. One was, I think it was a racquetball, and the other one was, which I really liked, was a running pair of shoes, which are the running shoes. As cufflinks, that's a pretty cool idea.
Neha, which is your favorite one? And he said he doesn't have any idea of jewelry. I hope you give him some lessons.
Yeah, when he pays for it, he will get an idea, but which he already has. But no, I feel like it's very sweet, and there's something just so nice when the man you love actually makes you wear jewelry, and it's so beautiful. But he's picked up this bracelet. We may not have similar taste in jewelry, but the fact
Are you
that
trying to say it's not nice?
no, it is. What I'm saying is that when you're all by yourself, it's very difficult to wear bracelets. So what I do is I do the quick one. Like I usually go into the earring or I go into the ring because it's very easy to put on your own. So yeah, I mean I'll leave this for more romantic occasions, and or then just leave it on all the time so that it reminds me of him all the
That was
time.
an idea.
Yes.
Okay, she will leave with you.
Yes.
You guys are going through beautiful phase now. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So Neha, according to you, Amit will be a better father or a better husband?
Ooh, very tough question to answer. I think he's going to ace in both the departments. The fact that he's proved himself as a rock solid husband for sure already. And as a father, I think between the two of us, I have a feeling that the kid's going to go running to him more than me. Because I'll be the strict one, he'll be the good. There's always a good cop and a bad cop. I have a feeling that I'm going to end
No,
up
the
becoming
reason they'll
the
run to
bad
me is
cop.
because she'll always be late.
No, not with the baby.
What about you? She'll be a better wife or a better mother?
I think she's already a lovely wife, but she has a great instinct of a mother. I have seen, it's like when you live together and then the progression that she's going through, it's a great phase. But it's a great phase that everybody's saying it's a great phase. But the person who's going through it knows every day is a very different day. There are good days, there are bad days.
Yeah.
But she's coping up with the bad days really well. She's not making it such a big deal, which I have seen a lot of pregnant women. It's not easy, considering now she's in her 9th month and she's still here, attending events and doing a lot of work. I really appreciate that, but yeah, I think as a mother, she'll be a phenomenal mom.
She's a rock solid woman. We have seen her from the
Oh, thank you, that's very sweet of you.
Lastly, how mentally are you prepared? Being a mother is a big thing. Are you mentally prepared?
Not at all, actually. I'm not prepared at all. A lot of people, sometimes
Okay, last
you
question, guys.
Yeah,
question?
You answer.
Yeah, sorry. So you know the thing is that you're never prepared. Like I actually have to like look at my stomach and be like, oh my god, I'm gonna become a mother. When I see like mothers walking with little kids, I'm being like, you know, we're gonna have one of our own very soon. But you're never prepared. I feel like the things, and I can say this for Angad because we've been friends for so many years. Everything that we prepared ourselves for in life with, it never happened to us. Like even whether it was roles in films, or whether it was the idea of cinema, or whether it was cricket for him, or whether it was, you know, I wanted to become a civil services officer. You know, the things we decided in life never happened. And the minute we were like, we're going to go ahead with this, we just decided we're going to be those parents who are not going to prepare. We're going to let our child teach us things as opposed to us teaching our child things. Because, you know, every day is going to be a learning curve. Every day there's going to be something new happening. And I feel like between him and me at some level, physically, mentally, emotionally, we will figure it out. We're not reading up. The day we knew that we were going ahead with this, we were like, we're not going to look online. We're not going to check Google. We've not done one thing except call. Every time the doctor calls up, we're like, okay, we're there for a checkup, and then that's it. So yeah, we were kind of we're not feeling the pressure maybe because we're not like overloading ourselves with this. Yeah, there are, like he said, there are rough days, and especially now. But even that's like, you know, it's between hunger and restlessness and sleepless nights. But we've been through that before, so it's no big deal. Like I've said this before, and it came out yesterday in an interview, so I'm going to say it again. If this is what pregnancy is, I'm ready to do it all over again very soon.
Yeah, trust me, you are looking beautiful at this.
Thank you.
You guys are lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your always support.
पंजाब में जो हुआ है
Please, I request all of you
हाँ,
to
आपकी
take
आवाज़ ही
this
नहीं
phone.
पहुँच रही दादा।
जो पंजाब में हुआ है उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
जो it's been
कोशिश नहीं है मैम।
अमृतसर में जो हुआ is extremely unfortunate. I feel deeply saddened because my father is from Amritsar. हमारा घर है वहाँ पर. So I'm extremely connected to that city. Hopefully we can overcome this. And there's been a relief fund which Captain Amrinder Singh has put forward for the victims and their families. He's put forward a great initiative, and we can only pray and support them in whichever way possible.
Sorry. I mean, obviously your heart goes out for everyone, and it's such an unfortunate tragedy. सबसे पहले तो, I mean, you feel really bad for all the lives that have been lost, and our condolences and our strength to the families that are fighting this. And
There's a relief fund which Captain Amrinder
yes,
Singh
there is a relief fund that Captain Amrinder Singh
has
is
put forward to immediate effect, and that's a move in the right direction. But why should we should always? It's like precaution is always better than cure. I think we should be 5 or 10 steps ahead to foresee this, which is my humble plea to the Punjab government.
Yeah, and हम दोनों की families अमृतसर से हैं, so it was very hard for us to actually see this. But forget Amritsar, it should not happen anywhere. कहीं पे भी नहीं होना चाहिए. It's just a really, really unfortunate accident which could have been avoided, but unfortunately, what happened was very, very sad.